All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Heave. 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 Like to throw something. To move or throw something heavy. To throw something heavy. Heavy. Heave and throw. I heaved a rock into the air. What did he just heave at us? She heaved her bag onto the floor. He heaved the ball into the air. Into the air. Yeah. How cool is that? I heaved the book on top of the pile, yeah. Or the pile, yeah. So I got the book. I just heaved it onto the pile. Heaved it. Threw it. I threw the book. Yeah. It was just heaved into place. Just thrown into place. They often just heave things into the air. Often, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. He heaved it easily with me. Yeah. They are trying to heave it too. He often heaves things high into the air. The competition is about who can heave it highest. Yeah, who can heave it highest? Yeah. Sometimes there are competitions where you need to heave things the furthest away. Furthest away. Yeah. How cool is that? She's heaving the bag in the car. All right. We will have to heave it across the airport to carry something. Ugh. Yeah, we heaved it for miles. Carrying something, yeah. Heaving it. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, I have to heave it across the airport. They heaved it across the desert for hundreds of miles. They heaved it across the desert. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So heave, to move or throw something heavy. Yeah. So, can you use heave in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.